All right, everybody, Sylvia here. It's a gorgeous day here in the desert of Southern California. I'm going to be going on a trike ride just in the neighborhood. In fact, I'm really not even sure of my route or how long the ride will be, but let's see what kind of trouble we can get into. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. This ride is coming to an end. I'm almost back to church. What a lovely day. I think it's got to be about 77 degrees out here. Bright blue skies. Gosh, it's so nice to be able to ride the end of November in shorts and a short sleeve jersey. But wow, the park that I went to was just beautiful. Saw lots of wildlife, all kinds of birds and ducks and herons and turtles, and I think the monarch butterflies are migrating on their way down to Mexico. Saw so many butterflies on the flowers. So just really enjoyed this ride today. Ended up being about just over 20 miles. And I'm going to head back to church. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the video. And leave a comment in the comment section below. Be safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.